Well,
Tell me like when you're going.
well, I'm going now. So where we at, baby?
Excellent.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah, hey, this is her first time here at Cosmo. So I'm sure she's going to be excited to show you what she orders. Ain't that right?
We will show you.
All right.
You show me how to cook.
Showing my beautiful lady. And then, oh, look at this, y'all. Truffle hash browns. The Fairfax. Got onion in there. It has cheese, the eggs. This is homemade bread right here. They make this local, I mean. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Then my lady got a bacon, egg, and cheese, scrambled eggs in there. Y'all, we about ready to do this, huh, baby?
Let's see what we can do.
Yeah,
Style.
we ain't gonna print and sprint off of this food, y'all. All right. Well, hello, viewers. Reiko here, y'all, in front of Ultimate Firelink China Street. Look at those pots. Look at that 18K. What are you thinking about that, my lady?
I think that's ours.
Yeah, I love it. Y'all, hey, let's play. Let's do a few spins. I'll probably do up to 10 bucks. I'm dabbling today, nothing crazy. So let's see what we can do. Let's take it to $1 denom. I'm gonna do some $10 spins. There we go. Come on, baby. Y'all, what we're looking for is 3 of those free game features in the middle or 4 fireballs.
A cup of noodles.
Yeah, we'll take it. So I'll do some spins here, and then I'll do some spins on 10 cent as well. Oh, come on, 2 more. Oh, would have been nice. Looking for hit number 1. All right, 25 bucks. Okay, 5 bucks. Come on. Yeah, got the bonus, y'all. Face worthy. Right, y'all, hey, dabbling into a bonus. Loving it. What are you thinking, my lady?
I like it so far.
Yeah, me too. Y'all, let's see what we can do. You know me, I always go for the gusto. Because all we need is one good spin. We just need them wilds to line up. Come on, wilds. Ooh, man, just need one wild to line up. Oh, come on, retrigger. Oh, last lucky spin. Nada. Wow.
That was
A bonus that wasn't a bonus. Well, we'll do a couple backups. Let's go to 10 cent, y'all. We got it on $1. Now let's get it on 10 cent. Do $6 and $10 spins. Just dabbling today, y'all. Ooh, one away.
We need 4 of the fireballs.
Yeah, 4 fireballs. You got it. We got a bonus, but it didn't do anything. Oh! Wow, so close. All right, money back. Oh, so close. Go back to $1. And $10 spins. Now I want the fireballs. Yeah, let's pay lines on $1, y'all. That's why it's not making as much noise. But hey, if we get lucky, we get that bonus.
Even that many that showed up would be good.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Go rapid fire. Nope. Wow.
It was like, nah.
Yeah, wasn't having it, was it? Come on, baby. Getting down to the wire. Money back.
Man, this machine's not awake.
No, it's not. A few more spins, you guys. $5. Come on.
One more.
Well, rough start, y'all. Rough start. We got Cosmo. What happened? How's the Mega at 12? Hold the phone. I don't know. Now I'm looking, I'm like, what in the world? And then it's at 18 here. Are you serious? Wow. So the Mega can differ on the denominations. I thought the Mega stayed the same. Wow, look at that, y'all. You learn something every day. Okay, well, hey, just something for y'all to keep in mind, because I had no idea. I thought it was the mini and minor that changed and the major maybe. But hey, thank y'all for watching. Well, hello, viewers. Reiko here. You guys, I came over to Aria. Old Firelink doing some dabbling over there. The Cosmo wasn't really doing it. But hey, we're going to play this one. Check it out. Yo, this is a new Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Look at that pot. We had our subscriber, Lisa Fobbs, request some Firelink. So I hope she's not disappointed with this new one. Hey, y'all, we're excited. Loaded 25 hundo in plus 150 free play. So looking at the bets, seems like this middle bet on pretty much all the denoms are what you're eligible for the explosion. So hey, that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna be betting this on the 10-cent denom for now until we run out of that 150 free play. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so this monkey here be throwing balls. Let's see if we can get him to throw something. Okay, these are wild. Money back. Oh, wow, that was a rapid fire. Oh, we got money. Oh, wait. You know what? I don't think we're winning. I think we're just getting our free play back. I was all money back. Now we won that time. Okay, up 16 bucks. Let me hit the button. Seems like the spin button ain't working too well. Oh. I hope this monkey throws a lot of wilds, y'all. So far, nothing. All right, up 20. Come on. So we need 4 of the fireballs, y'all. Initiate that bonus. Oh, nice hit. 46. Now we're up. Need a whole bunch of umbrellas, y'all. Let me know what y'all think of this game. Never played it. He's not really throwing a lot of these things. Oh, yeah. 48. Loving it. Let's do this. Let's go up to the next denom, which is 25 cent. Max bet is, the explosion bet is 15. All right, let's do that. I wonder if this is like the other ones, you know, you lose some pay lines as you increase. Oh, come on, do it. Oh, mini was 125, y'all. All right, I think we're out of free play. Let me do this. Let me go up to $1. Wow, so the explosion is 45 bucks. Let's try it out. And the mini is 250, minor. You see what we got there. Matter of fact, that's probably where I'll top out because I don't want to do $90 spins today. So try some bets here. Come on, baby. And then we'll jump around if nothing. Oh, look at that. Well, it looks like it's gonna take a little bit to get it going. Let's try some $18 spins on 10 cent. Come on, baby. Yeah, y'all, so be prepared to do some spins. Yeah, Lisa, this game, woo. Take some spins to get it going. And the monkey ain't throwing a whole lot. Do some variation, y'all. All right, 36. All right, jump around. We have options. Quarter denom. Let's do this. And 90, 45. Let's have a $22. $22.50. Let's do that. All right. Oh, come on, baby. Do it, do it, do it. Ah, tough game. Bury it again. Oh, nice. It's $25 hit. All right, let's go back to $1. Technically, that's where I wanted that, y'all, is $1. And I'm going to play for the eligibility of the bonus of the explosion. So $45. Wow, thought we had it. Tough game, though, y'all. Be prepared. All right. Oh, that's not a pay line. It's like I'm not even feeling it's gonna come because well, he is throwing, so maybe I'll hang out here for a little bit at 45. Let's get a bonus for Lisa. I said that and nothing, so back to 10 cent, 18. All right, come on, do it, do it. This reminds me of like Mega Link almost. Come on, do it, do it. Yeah, got the bonus, y'all. What's going on? Okay. Touch the start. Let's see what we can do. Okay, the thing is right here. Oh, come on. Oh, can we do it? What is Super Fire Link? What is that? Oh, man, huge. All right, you guys, this could be good. This is like, yeah, we unlock the Super Rose and all that. Oh, man, this is awesome. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all, let's hope we get some big hits. Y'all, we're gonna get a lot of fireballs on this. Come on, baby. Okay, got some good ones up there. Oh. Uh-oh, what's it doing? There we go. All right, last lucky spin. Come on, save it, save it. Yeah, saved it. All right, y'all. Got the 144. Got some minis, a minor. All we need is 6 more. Actually, sounds like a lot. Wow, there's a big kahuna up there, but we gotta save it. All right, hey, all good, all good. Numbers up there would have been nice. Still good. Little something. All right. Love it, y'all. That was awesome. Do a couple there, and then let's go back to $1. See if maybe we can get lucky there, y'all. Come on. He's throwing, though. Just not too many orbs show up on this one. It's a $250 mini. Oh, I thought we had it. Not getting line hits on this bet, but he is throwing like crazy. Tell you what, let me jump next door to the next one. Let me see, how do you, okay, print and sprint. This is a game I know that's gonna take me a while of playing. This one, the majors, the second highest. Oh, no, it's that one. So 972 in that one. Let's go over there. Maybe we just had a tough game, you know? Maybe if we play this one, Lisa, we'll get a bonus quicker. So we have 14 hundo left. See if we can do something, y'all. All right, read my card. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, so we'll go to 10 cent to start, 18 a spin. Come on, baby. And I like this one because the play button actually works. But I feel like the reels are going super slow. Well, if we're winning like that, we might be okay with super slow reels. Let me see, what was I gonna do? Credit, there we go, okay. Yeah, this one spins weird, but hey, I don't mind the weird spinning if it's gonna hit. Come on, baby. Yeah! Y'all, $18 a spin is just hitting. I wish it would hit on the bigger ones, but hey, we'll take it. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Aw, Firelink. Okay, we'll take Firelink. I'll take Firelink over that. Okay. Hey, I mean, this is what we want, really. Okay, wow. So we have 144 to star, 72, $100 mini. Let's see what we can do. I like the numbers, y'all. Wow, it's dropping like the super Firelink. Wow, do y'all hear that? Look at this. Uh-oh. Come on, save it, baby. Oh, man, we missed it. It's okay. Still good. So we'll do a backup here, and then we might go up to like 25. Okay. That's a good number, y'all. Well, Lisa, hey, we hope you're enjoying it. I'm showing you all these different bonuses and enjoying myself, y'all. 466 bucks. Okay. I don't know. We might hang around a little bit. It's still hitting. I like the 10-cent denom because of all the pay lines, y'all. Wow, 500 miner. Let's do this. Let's go to 25 cent, 15 here, and then we'll 22. Come on, baby. That would have been nice. Yeah, got it, y'all. Got it at 22 a spin. That is awesome. All right, here we go, y'all. Let's see what we can do. Wow, so they can give you lower numbers than... Okay, no, that is my bet for 22.50. Monkey is throwing balls. I thought he'd throw again. Yeah, he's throwing, but he's throwing high. Come on, throw lower, buddy. Okay. Come on, throw, yeah. All right, one more to unlock that. One more. It's like a 75. Oh, yeah, got it. Y'all? So 360, a 240. That's a 60, I believe. Oh, yeah, come on, baby. Need one more to unlock some good stuff. Come on, monkey. Uh-oh. Yeah, got it, y'all. Oh, yeah, that's a good one, y'all. 200 and something bucks, 250-ish. All right, how many do we need? Two more. Save it, baby. All right, y'all. This is a good Firelink bonus. All right, just need one more. I think we'll be in the jackpot territory. All right, save it, baby. Oh, it's all good. You know, I can't ask for much more than that, right? We might already be there. This is quarters, y'all. Non-stop action, you guys. We did it. I think we did it, y'all. That's face worthy. So, Firelink explosion. You gotta find the right machine. This is awesome, y'all. This is fun. Look at this. Oh, it wasn't a jackpot. Love that. That is very close, though. Up to 27 hundo, so we're up a little bit. I like that even better. All right, let's go to $1 for some 45 explosion. This was a tough denom on the other one, so. We would love to get that feature here. Come on, do it, do it. Ah. It's showing those chests though. All right, 90 bucks. When they line up, y'all, they line up nice. but there's not many pay lines when you get up this high. I might try that last one, y'all, because this denom is dead. Yeah, let's do that. Let's try the very last game. We bonused on both. See if we can get a bonus on that other one. I know the numbers are smaller, but hey, you never know. It's sometimes about the machine. Oh, not so much about the pots. So hoping we can do something. All right, y'all. Hope you're enjoying this. Been at it for, what, 20 minutes? Betting up to 45 a spin. You know what I got to start with, you guys. You know what. Here we go. 18. I feel like 18 is just my number on this game. Look at that. $6. Okay. Look at this, y'all. Oh. Big chance. Oh, it was right there. All right, let's switch it up a little bit, y'all. Let's see if we can get it on a higher bet. 22 again. So we might do 22 here and 45. All right, let's go to $1.45. That's my plan. Hopefully get a bonus on a big bet, y'all. He's not throwing though. Oh, there we go. Money back. Oh, come on, do it, do it, do it. So he can throw balls that are less than the bet. Okay. Here we go. Come on, do it. Ah. 105. Best so far. Oh, man, that would have been huge. All right, money back. Come on, do it, do it. Ah. Got the bonus. Yo. Now this one could be good, you guys. We're on $45 a spin. About to see what we can do. All right, so we want the mega, we want the explosion. Free games, I don't know, never seen it, but I'll take whatever. Come on, baby. Let's get the ultimate, the super fire link would be nice too. There's some good ones up there, y'all. Super fire link. We got it. Yeah. Did we get it? We get it. We got it, y'all, at $45 a spin. Come on, baby. Okay. Okay. All right, nothing crazy so far. 120, 120, 45. So the one with the lowest progressives is the one that gave us the bonus on the highest bet. Come on, baby. Okay, so we got 150 on the field. All right, unlock row 45. We could do really good here, y'all. All right, any big ones? Okay, 120. Okay, $60. All right, y'all, we're unlocking it. I think we're getting close to Handpay territory if we're not there already. Come on, baby. A lot of space. Just need the monkey to keep throwing. Save it, baby. Yeah, we saved it. Saved it with a $45 ball. All right, you guys, look at that. So the highest thing we have up there is actually a mini. we get one to naturally land? All right, save it. All righty, saved it. Couple 45s, y'all. So we only need 2 more to get that 250 mini. All right. Yeah, I think we're out of Handpay, y'all. We are definitely in the zone. 225 extra. Come on, let's drop some words. All right, last lucky spin. Save it, baby. All right, can't complain. My biggest win on Super Fire League, this explosion. Yeah, top rolls 475 alone, y'all. This is huge. This is huge. I gotta say, it was definitely worth trying all the machines. I was not expecting that. Look at that, y'all. We almost hit 3K. Wow. Y'all love this game. Yeah. Oh, Lisa, hey, we hope you enjoyed it. Y'all, this has been phenomenal. Play the role. Y'all saw what I did. I was just playing the explosion jackpot and above on different denoms. Yeah, y'all. Hey, y'all, we'll be back after this. Well, you guys. Who would have thought the lowest major is the hottest machine? Awesome. Lisa, I hope you enjoyed that. So much fun. We're going to do some backups. Matter of fact, I'm going to keep it above 12 hundo, so that gives me a little bit to play with. And then I'll probably go to a quarter for the rest of the backups. All right, let me do that. Let me go to a quarter. Sometimes I get this feeling like, you know, get the bonus easier. So we'll do $22 spins until either 12 hundo or more. Aces. Nice, y'all. 45 bucks. I must be right because this monkey's just throwing stuff, y'all. We'll see. All right, got a hundo left to play with. A few more spins. Come on, baby. Ah, all them wilds. Last lucky spin. All right, you guys, such an amazing session. Lisa Fobbs, thank you very much for your requests. You guys, remember to leave those requests in the comments below. All right. Hey, thank you very much for watching. Hello, you guys. We'd like to thank you very much for watching. Oliver, speak. Remember, this channel is all about your subscriber requests. So please hit that subscribe button. Oliver, pop, and leave your request in the comments below. All right, thank you guys.